So, because we arrived so early at the guest house, we have now 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. We have our room, we have washed our dirty stuff, sweaty stuff mostly, and now we barely have anything to do, so I decided to do a little walk, just in sandals though, to air out my feet a little bit. And yeah, I will see how it goes. Should be back in about 2 to 4 hours. Ah, it's so nice here. So nice here. This is literally a place I would move to. Like, it's sort of accessible by car even in winter because there's paved roads. There's like fruit trees growing, so you can have your little orchard, and it's just beautiful up here. I really like it. I will see if I go into the forest or if I stay in the sun, but also the sun is really strong up here. So I've just gone through my sunburn, so I don't really want sunburn and be sunburned all over again. I will see. Oh, but it's so nice. Just walking a little bit, only carrying snacks and not the 14-kilo backpack. Ah, this is so cool here. Like, many people actually skip this part of the Peaks of the Balkans trail, which is sort of sad because there's like really nice guest houses here and really nice people. And yeah, I mean, sure, tomorrow we will take a taxi or something for a few kilometers because that would just be like the main road. So that's boring. We don't have to walk that. But otherwise, like the hiking parts here in the Kosovo are really worth it. So if you do the hike, I can highly recommend doing the Kosovo part as well. The people are amazing, the food is amazing, and the guest houses are really pretty. So don't just skip it because someone said it was boring. So now we found a little shady spot. It's actually not just in the shade, but also a little shady because there's a lost place guest house right in front of me. But I will have a little lunch now. So really common in the area is white cheese, which is, I thought it was goat cheese, but it's actually a special kind of cow cheese. And so I made a little sandwich this morning, and I have a little cucumber, and that's gonna be my lunch. So I will eat this, and then we continue, I think, to the waterfall. It's not too far anymore, it's like 1.5 kilometers or something, so that's okay. But first, we need to refuel some energy. This hotel actually had a pizza oven. I don't know if you can see it. So there's the hotel. No, probably not, because in there is a round rock construction that might be a pizza oven. It's sad this is not used anymore. The view is amazing up here. Maybe if you have money, you can try and buy it. Kosovo is nice. For a second, I thought this video would turn into a lost place tour, but there's actually a guy living here, and he gets dogs from the towns, like stray dogs, castrates them, and brings them back to town. and he lives up here. He built all these little guest houses and stuff, and he lives alone up here with his 2 dogs. So yeah, very nice guy. Now I will just see. Apparently it's a lot of going down, so I will see how far I get to the waterfall, but so far it's just really pretty. Like, look at this. And yes, there's some clouds, but it doesn't look too bad. And I will just follow this route here a little bit. From here it's about 1.5 kilometers, so I think it should be around these big cliffs there that the waterfall is. So I have 2 more serpentines and then a little bit up through the forest. So yeah, up, down, and like down the road here is easy. And apparently I can also go around. So for the way back I can still decide if I want to go back up and down again, or if I go the main road up only. So I will see. Maybe also someone comes past and picks me up. I will see. But for now I'm making my way to the waterfall. I really hope it has water, but it should be fine. I will see it in a second, or more like half an hour probably. Now I have like 800 meters left to the waterfall, and this really gives me hope that there is an actual waterfall, because this water looks amazing. So there's more. It's super clear little river, and if we go around the corner here you can see all the cliffs up there. It looks a bit like in Jurassic Park. It's super cool, really nice. Okay, I'm excited for the waterfall now. Won't be long. Here we go. Okay, so the waterfalls were absolutely stunning. I'm so happy I did this. You can still see the first 2 little ones in the background. Yeah, it's beautiful here, but I do still have to walk back for like an hour and a half. So I will go on my way back now. But this was a really nice trip. It's actually part of the Via Dinarica. So it's not part of the Peaks of the Balkans trail, but if you have time, because you didn't realize that one day was super short like we did, then this is a really nice little afternoon walk to do from Trilla. And yeah, so goodbye waterfalls, let's walk home.